So by now, most of you should know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I want to welcome you to the sodarneasyforex University. Alright, so as most of you should already know, my name is Yusef Scott. I happen to be considered the Forex GOAT online. You can go check it out, www.theforexgoat.com. Alright? Now listen, you guys should already know in all of my videos, I tell you guys one thing before I get started. I always tell you guys how grateful and thankful I am to have you guys here. I realize you guys didn't have to be on my channel. I didn't have to be in this position, but I thank God that I'm in this position because I can help so many people worldwide. Now listen, if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, do yourself a favor and click on that subscribe button. Also follow us on social media, on Facebook and on Instagram, alright? Now listen, I want to give you guys a little information in terms of holding your trades. You guys should already know that we have this series that we're going through. We're in the middle of. We'll be running this series until like sometime in August. It's called the Stay in Your Trade Training Series. Okay? In this series, I'm helping students from all across the world, all four corners of the world, how to get into the trade and hold their trades. All right, get into the trade with a perfect entry strategy, and then follow the SIT, the Stay in Your Trade strategy, to help them stay in the trade or know when to get out of the trade. All right. Now, I know that a lot of you know that I'm one. I love to hold my trades. You know, I stay busy. Therefore, trading long term is always attractive for me because I don't have the time to sit and scout the market or day trade all day long watching the charts. I don't have that time. If you're one of those who you too stay busy, you don't have time to look at the charts all day long, it will be nice, but if you don't have that time, long-term trading, it may be your thing. So I want to show you guys a trade that I've been holding for some time. It wasn't even one that I talked about. I brought this up today during our training with students, and I told them that I was going to make this video showcasing my EURUSD trades. I'm one. I talk down on the EURUSD because it's such a liquid market. People can control that market. They can swing the market around. You know, it's very low spread. So I don't trade it all the time. But there are some times with this market that the movement is so obvious that I have to get in on it. All right. Now, unfortunately, with this trade, I'm going to be showing you guys real soon. Unfortunately, with this trade, something that I don't like about this trade is that, like I was telling my students, the swap is digging a hole in me. All right, the swap is heavy, but the thing about it is this. That's because of how long I've been in the trading. Okay, look, the thing about swap is this. As long as you're making more money than swap is turning a hole in you, you're ahead of the game. All right, so this is why a few times I was ready to jump out, but I told my students not too long ago, I said, look, if this market does this, then you know where it's going. And it did it. It's just as I said. So we're watching the market just keep climbing, keep climbing, keep climbing. All right? I want you guys to check this out. Check this out right now. So as you guys can see, this right here is my EURUSD. Okay? This is the EURUSD, and this is the way that it looks. I've been holding these trades for a little bit over 2 months now, and this is what's going on. You know, like I was saying, the swap is crazy. Man, it's crazy. I was telling my students about this setup today, and they remember and they recall me saying that, hey, look, if the EURUSD doesn't do this, then we can expect it to do that, and we can see that it's doing that. And you know, my students can attest to that. Keep them informed, well informed. But you know, the swap is turning a hole in my backside, you know. And the thing about it, as long as the swap isn't crushing the trades, you're doing more in the trades, and who cares about it? Best of all, let me show you guys this. Let me show you. Always making things done on a live account.